Today I will show you how to use the reprogrammed H240S. So you can unlock the device the normal way, and once you unlock the device, it will show you usually the last caller ID or the person that you will PTT. So you can push the green button, you can push the push the talk button, and the receiver will see your ID and green. Okay, so the receiver can just reply also, and it actually works even when the screen is off. Okay. So to change another ID, this other device is you can press a number. This device is 7805, so you can press 7805 star, and you'll see that it has changed to the other device, and you can push the top, and there will be this other device. And when the other device talk back to you, it will show a screen color. Okay, you can also, to unlock the device, press and hold the round center button, and you enter the application. So over here, you can also go to your recent list, scroll down, and PTT over here. So now this is talking to 111. Okay, scroll down. The white color means who you select, and you'll be talking to this other device now. Okay, if the person that you're talking to is not online or busy, you will hear a tone. Yeah, so you will say online, or if it's busy, it will be another tone. Busy usually when they talk to someone else. Okay. On this screen, after you unlock, you can also press and hold the left-right button to quickly switch between different users. So 7805 is this one, and if I press and hold 111, it's this one. Okay. If you want to find other users in your company after you unlock, go to the end, press the plus, and you will be able to find your entire company directory here. You can press the star to favorite them, and they will then show up in your favorite list, which you can scroll through by pressing left, up and down. So 556 is this, 7805 is this. Okay, so up down will change, and left to go back to recent, or is up down also to go through your recent list. Okay, that's all. Thank you.